For this Photoshop demo, I have a real simple solution for getting red eye in any of your photos. Or the bottom line is, from now on, there should be no more red eye in any of your portrait photography. So I'll go to open that and show you just what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to chapter 9, folder 9.1, and I'm going to open up this image, fixing red eye. I'll zoom in on that, and he looks kind of demonic. Those eyes look really weird. Had the flash on, and man, all the blood in the back of his eyeballs just reflected right back out of there. So what I want to do is make a copy. I always make a copy. I don't work on the original. So as you've heard me say multiple times, it's Command J on a Mac. That would be Control J on a PC to make a copy, jump up to another layer. And here's the simple fix. On the fourth set of tools down on the right, these are your photo retouching tools. So when I press and hold, I'm going to come all the way down to that list to the red eye tool. And literally, you just put the little plus of your cursor on the red and click. Click. That's it. There's no other big secret about it. Here's before and there's after. Get rid of the red eye. You don't need it in your files. Okay, you don't need it in your portraits. It looks weird. People don't have red eyes. Demons have red eyes. Not little pirate kids here. So that's it. Fourth set of tools down on the right. These are all your photo retouching tools I'll be talking about in chapter 9, including the easiest one, which is your red eye tool. I'll go to File, save a copy of that, and I will call this last name, first name, red eye. On my desktop as a JPEG, and always high quality JPEGs. And there we go. I'll see you next time.